Good morning, YouTube. I'll show you how to replace fuel cap actuator, which on this one is broke. That's where we go. That's where we're gonna replace it. So I'll try as quick as possible to do so. First thing, remove the fuel cap and add blue cap. You need a torque screws. I knew this is broke some time ago because every time I lock the car it makes weird noise. An easy and quickest way I think to remove this is using this little crowbar. Okay, that. So yank you out. Oh, fuck's sake. It's not that easy like on the videos on the YouTube. Well, flat screwdriver. Put myself away. Oh, fuck. You need to be careful. Don't damage the paint on the car. That's what goes over there. And a little bit of cloth would be ideal to don't damage the paint. Up, up. You see? It's not that hard. Not that hard. Up. Up. And doors out. That's where we go with it. That's we need to remove. Slides out. So this goes over there. So we need this fish out. The easy way to do it is put this on the side to don't lose it. Remove this part. Oh, right. But what I'm gonna do is I will attach zip ties to this one, and that should be easy to pull. Can't see nothing from here. See. Let's go through the little hole over there. Right, get my zip ties. I'll attach the zip ties to that. It should be fine. We need a long one. If they have to be zip ties, I'm using this dipstick. Be perfect. What I need now, it's a tape. Right. I'll go grab the tape and be back in a minute. I got the tape. And now, game on. Ah, you see? Clever chick I am. Don't lose it. You know, let's compare them two. And I should have done before, but yes, exactly the same. Right. Like that, like so. And now everything in the reverse order. Up. You can make yourself life easier and remove this or fuse box, but using dipstick, string or anything will help better. There you go, lovely jubbly. Back to the putting back together everything. Oops, daisy. Oopsie daisy. Ta-na-na-na-na. There you go. It's not that tight fit like OEM part, but should do the job. You see, if you don't have a blue tongue, that part would be easier. Up, up. Ah. Perfect. Works. Everything works. And now we shall see does it work, because every time I locked the car, this fuel flap was always open. Right. Where are my keys? There you go. Perfect. You see? Works fine. Wait. Haha. Where before you could open this, plus comes up with a fall code in the scanner. Perfect. Right, so that's how we're gonna replace your faulty fuel club actuator. And if you want, there's a serial number. You can focus it. Here you go. So copy yourself this, and you can order from Amazon. I think it cost me £15 with delivery. So I think not that bad for this little piece. If you get a genuine, probably pay 60 quid or something, maybe more. So right, hope this video helped, and we shall see next time.